Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about types of verbs and English spelling rules to form present participle or ing form. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon and click on all option so that you may find the notifications of my all new videos. So let's start. Here are two classes of verbs, that are lexical verbs and auxiliary verbs. Lexical verbs are also called main or full verb. For example, go, write and jump. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are further divided into two verbs classes, that are primary and modal. Primary verbs are do, have, be. Modal verbs are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to. Need, dare and used to are although full verbs, yet sometimes serve as modal verbs. There are 5 forms of verbs, that are base, that is denoted by V. Instances of base are move, watch, sleep. S form, V plus S or ES. The examples are moves, watches, sleeps. Past, that will be the second form of verb, or V plus ED. Moved, washed and slept are the examples. Present participle or ing form, V plus ing. Moving, watching, sleeping. Past participle or ed form, V plus ed or third form of verb. Moved, washed and slept are the examples. Before proceeding, it is necessary to learn some terms, that are CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. VCV, vowel, consonant, vowel. Stressed syllable, for example, permit. In this word, mit is a stressed syllable because the stress falls on that particular syllable. Unstressed syllable, for example, in the word differ, fer is a unstressed syllable. Here are some rules to form ing. In case of E, the verbs ending in E or having VCV form, just drop E before adding ing. Pay plus ing, it will become, after deletion of E, PAV ing. Love plus ing, it will become LOV ing. Verbs ending in EE, YE, OE and often GE. Do not drop the E before ing. For example, decree plus ing, it will become decreeing. See plus ing, it will become seeing. DYE plus ing, it will become drying. I plus ing, eyeing. Canoe plus ing, it will become canoeing. Tow plus ing, it will become towing. Singe plus ing, it will become singeing. We will not delete E, the last or ending vowel. We will just add ing in this case. Verbs ending in IE. Replace IE with Y. LIE plus ing, it will become LYING. VIE plus ing, it will become VYING. DIE plus ing, it will become DYING. We will replace ing with the letter Y before adding ing. Adding ing in case of Y. Rule number 1. Verbs having 3 or 4 letters ending in Y simply add ing. Spy plus ing will become spying. Fry plus ing will become frying. Slay plus ing into slaying. Pray plus ing into praying. Rule number 2. Verbs ending in Y following a double consonant having same sound. Again simply add ing. Carry plus ing, it will become carrying. Hurry plus ing will become hurrying. Doubling of ending consonants. Rule number 1. Single syllabled words having CVC. Double the consonant before ing. For example, knit plus ing, it will become knitting. KNITTING. We have just doubled the ending consonant of this verb before adding ing. Cut plus ing, it will become cutting. CUTTING. Run plus running plus ing, it will become running. Rule number 2. Verbs ending in L after single or double vowel. Double the L sound before ing. Signal plus ing, it will become signaling. Travel plus ing, it will become traveling. TRAVELLING. There is no doubling of L in American English, as there is no stress on second syllable in American English. Doubling of ending consonants. Rule number 3. Verbs having 2 or 3 syllables ending in CVC or CVVC. If last syllable is stressed, double the last consonant. For example, forget plus ing, it will become forgetting. We have doubled the ending consonant to make the present participle. Occur plus ing, it will become occurring. Permit into permitting. Acquit plus ing into acquitting. Rule number 4. Verbs having 2 or more syllables ending in unstressed syllable. Do not double the final consonant. Dread plus ing will become treading. Open plus ing will become opening. Differ plus ing into differing. In these words, dread, open and differ, the second syllable is unstressed and we will simply add ing to make the present participle. Verbs ending in IC. Just change IC into ICK before ing. For example, traffic plus ing, it will become trafficking. TRAFFICKING. Panic plus ing, it will become panicking. PANICKING. Verbs ending in X, W and Y. Simply add ing to make the present participle. Say plus ing will become saying. Mix plus ing, it will become mixing. Glow plus ing will become glowing. We will not add or delete anything when the verbs end in X, W and Y. We simply add ing to make the present participle or present progressive form. Hopefully you have learned some rules about making present participle or present progressive form. Like my video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.